Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be reading the book, Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. I think I'm going to like this book. It looks like it is a good book. And hi, I am Gina Antrim. I have been an AAC SLP for the past 9 years, and today I'm going to be providing aided language input using the Snap Core First word wall poster from Toby Dynavox while we read this book. And I will also be demonstrating some shared reading strategies of making comments to help elicit communication while we read the book. Okay, so we opened our book, and do you see what I see? Pete the cat is sitting on a reindeer. Oh, I wish I could sit on a reindeer. That is so cool. Pete the cat saves Christmas. I wonder, how will he save Christmas? He is eating some cookies, just like Santa. And it looks like there's a phone call, and it says Santa. That's how you spell Santa. I wonder, is Pete the cat going to get called by Santa? Was the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. Oh no, that means he feels sick. In the cold winter wind, he had caught a bad chill. So he has a bad cold, and he does not feel good. Oh no. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all of the good girls and all of the good boys. They are definitely in two different places. Santa lives up where it's cold in the North Pole, and Pete the cat is down by a beach where it is sunny out and warm, and he's surfing. I'll do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give. So I will give it my all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give. So give it your all. That is a fun looking van. I like that red color. Key West was that way where the beach was, and he's going in a different direction. He's gonna go to the North Pole. Pete jumped in his minibus and he started to roll. Road trip, cried Pete. First stop, the North Pole. I wonder how long it would take him to drive in his minibus from Key West to the North Pole. Do you think he will get there in time so that he can give all the little boys and girls their presents? The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow. So he packed up the presents and he told them to go. Look, do you see the elf helping? And I like the garland that they decorated Pete's minivan with. Then the minibus flew, just like in a movie. Pete the cat cried, "This is totally groovy." That is awesome. They're flying up, up, up by the moon. "I can do it," said Pete. "And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I will give it my all." Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. He's got a companion, a little buddy, doesn't he? The little bird has been there in the whole story, right by Pete's side. As the children were sleeping all snug in their bed, Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. They made their first stop on top of some child's roof. I wonder who the lucky kid is. Straight down the chimney Pete flew in a dash, then back up into his minibus as quick as a flash. That means he was going super fast. I wonder if he was scared to go down the chimney. I think I would be. I would be afraid I would get stuck. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. So each time he crosses off a list, he's getting close to being finished and done. Santa's list was so big. And Pete felt so small. But at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. And he has help, doesn't he? He's not alone. His little bird and the reindeer, they're all there to help him. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out just as quiet as a mouse. Look at all of those presents. I bet that child's going to be happy when they wake up. Then right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. I bet I know where they're going. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townsfolk were all celebrating. They say, "Thank you, Pete." He says, "Being small is cool." See? It all works out when we all help each other, doesn't it? Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip, hip, Hooray! For our friend, Pete the cat. He is proud and very happy of Pete because he did not give up. He kept going and he got the job done. I did it, said Pete. Although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. I wonder what will Pete do now that he's done passing out presents. Is he going to ride the reindeer again? That would be fun. There's the end. Oh, now he's drinking milk, and I bet he's going to eat more cookies. That's the end of our book. Thank you so much for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by either liking down below or leaving me a comment. And if you haven't already, it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to my channel, and you can check out other stories where I read and provide aided language input here. Thanks so much. Bye.